Sanbona Zamani Zulu Nation, coming at you today with this podcast with some lyrics analysis. This is a song by Busiswa DJ Tira. It's called Midnight Staring, as you just heard. Cool, so just open up the lyrics and have a read through with me. Okay, so first of all, the song's mostly in Xhosa. So we've got a few different words that I've changed to Zulu, just because we're doing Zulu here. And a whole bunch of ndis changed to ngis. Okay. Reading through with me. Cool, so let's just go back to the top and I'll explain a bit. So noma ungagqoka, so they actually use Xhosa word there for wear, but we just use the Zulu word here. Noma ungagqoka inikabhoka. Even if you wear knickerbockers, fancy underwear, yimi istering, I'm the starring role. So here he comes again. Even if you put lace panties, I'm the starring role. Brows on fleek are those fancy eyebrows. There's like solid, super, like groomed eyebrows. Noma ungamnika India next week. You can read the English there. Try and keep this family friendly. And then that tag over there. Hambo yotezinkuni when namakoti. Go and fetch wood. Go and fetch firewood, young lady. Gemnage is actually Sutu, so I've changed that to the Zulu word. Umnagwetu, that's basically our guy. I'm gonna get him in the house. Okay, we're back to the top. Okay, even if you could be like, put those eyebrows on. Okay, and these guys have a turn. Yeah, it's difficult to hear what they say here. Siya groove askatali. We groove and groove, we don't get tired. And then let's go fusam umakelwan. There's drums waking up the neighbors. Siya groove askatali. DJ Tira. Okay, we had planned, actually I just planned. Okay, Ubuza Lipi, which one? Okay. All these ndis are ngis in Zulu. See you online. You don't even know me. But there you go.
Please call future baby. Future maybe. Future wife.
This is Kubu. This drum is Ivusa, which wakes up umakelwan, neighbors. Here we go. Cool. Hope you enjoyed that. Listen to that song over and over again. Just get the lyrics stuck in your head and have fun. Cool. Thank you.